Do you have problems with these two words? When we say them, they sound the same, affect and effect. But of course, when we write them, we have to be careful because the spelling is different. The first one uses a schwa, affect, and the second one is an e sound, effect. So let's look at some common errors. The first example is incorrect because the verb has been used instead of the noun. Our chef wants to know the result of adding the eggs, so she should have said, what effect will adding the 3 eggs have? And the result, the cake will rise faster. This poor chap's been drinking too much. Does alcohol affect you? I'm afraid that's also incorrect because he's used the noun instead of the verb. He wants to know what influence alcohol has on you. And he should have said, does alcohol affect you? The verb. The result, well, unfortunately in this case, yes, I get dizzy if I drink too much. That's the influence of alcohol. And finally, our chess players. She says, what effect will that move have? Which again is incorrect because she wants to know the result. So she needs to use the noun. What effect will that move have? Quite disastrous. Checkmate. Checkmate is the result or the effect. Here's a closer look to help you decide which one is the verb and which one is the noun. Affect is the verb. That's the one that uses the schwa, affect. So we could say, climate change is affecting our planet. We can use the verb passively, of course. Our planet is being affected by climate change. The noun is effect. Global warming is having an effect on our climate. In other words, we can see the result, storms, floods and fires. Lower rainfall is one effect of climate change, one result. Now you can use the verb affect slightly differently. For emotions, she was deeply affected by his death. And if someone says this, bonjour, I am happy to see you, but he's not really French, we would say John affected a French accent, but he wasn't French, and it's not really a compliment. So let's look at some exercises to let you practice these two words, affect, effect. Exercise 1, affect or effect. See which word you think goes into the gap, think about it carefully, and the answers follow. In the answers, I'll give you some synonyms for these words, which should help you a little bit more to decide which one to use. Here are the answers. Did you get them correct? Have a look at the synonyms to see how you can use them in the sentences. Next time, we'll have a look at two words which sound the same, practice and practice. Would you say the boy is practicing the piano or the boy is practicing the piano? I'll tell you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like below and I'll say goodbye. Bye.